channel. I'm the Forex Coach, and today I'm going to be taking you all through the Exness Social Trading platform. Okay, so right in your partner area, you can have access to the Exness strategies, and these strategies, some have specialized in various assets that they trade. Okay, and these people that we have over here are already qualified and profitable. Most of them are qualified and profitable traders. And one thing about this platform is the statistics they give based on the trading history and the investment portfolio of these traders. Okay, so on here we have various strategies, we have various people, we have various profitable traders that people are copying. Okay, so when you come over here, you see we have this particular strategy, that is the ambitious robot mean, has 606,122 investors who have invested on a strategy that they trade, and as he makes profit, he also makes profit along with all the investors. Okay, this is a very good head start for all beginners on this trading platform, and also investors who equally wants to make money on the market but do not want to go through the technicalities of mastering the complexities on the market. Okay, all right, so to have access to this feature, to be able to benefit and copy trades from profitable traders, the link to download the Exness Social Trading platform is the first one in the description below. You can go there, you can pause this video, go there, download and sign up. Okay, if you already have an Exness account also, you can equally sign in, but you sign up, and after signing up you have access to this platform and all these functionalities. Okay, so I'll be taking you through this platform, how to invest and how to identify good people to copy their strategies. Okay, we do all these things by understanding their stats that are being laid out by the Exness platform. Okay, all right, so coming over here, the most copied traders that we have over here, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3. We can head on in to actually understand what these figures mean. Okay, right, so we are going into the ambitious robot mean. Okay, so all right, so this is the return so far. So this return shows the strategy's equity change resulted by trading activity since the strategy's inception. Okay, so with this one, it shows the returns that the trader has made or the profit he has made so far when he started using this strategy. Okay, all right, and this is the maximum drawdown of the trader, and this is the risk score. Actually, the risk score, the higher the risk score, the higher the risk the trader is taking. Okay, so we can go through. So when it is 1 to 5, the chance to lose all your capital in the short term is quite low. Okay, so if you are the type who want to protect your capital, wouldn't want to risk that much, you should look at the risk score of these traders before you actually decide to create an investment with them. You can also go through their history, so you could see this trader. They have traded with Exness since 2012 from Thailand. So you could see these are very profitable traders who know what they are doing on the market. And Exness, wanting to see his traders benefit, have come up with this great platform to actually connect all users to equally earn as these traders earn. They have their fees they charge. This strategy charge 5% for their performance fee. So it means any profit they make for you, they calculate 5% of it and Exness pays it to them. And it's cool. Some people charge 30%, some charges 50% and all that. But actually when you get someone who be charging lesser than 50%, it's okay. Alright, it's okay. And we have the minimum investment you can actually participate in this strategy. The minimum investment is $10, and they have the leverage they use and everything. Okay, so this strategy is a very good one to actually trade with. That is why it has about 6,122 people investing on them. Okay, and we have the scalp gold. When you also go into it, you can see its profit margin, its returns. This charges 30% on each profit made, and the risk is 7. You could see it's higher than 5. Okay, the higher the risk number, the higher your risk reward. Let's say we've been able to identify the person we want to copy. Okay, so now let's dive into how we can invest. You see, on your Exness portal where you have your various accounts, let's come to this side. Okay, so you see we have your trading account, you have your investment wallet. It is this wallet that when you fund it, you have access to actually use it to invest under these strategies. Okay, so let's say we want to invest with ambitious bot. So let's click on ambitious bot and let's dive into it. So we want to create an investment, so you go to create an investment. So you could see to start copying, top up your investment wallet. So we move to top up invest mobile money based on your region. If you're in Ghana, mobile money, or you can equally transfer funds from your existing trading account into the investment wallet. Okay, so I have some funds in my trading account and I wouldn't want to go through the whole process of depositing again, so I just go to transfer. Okay, transfer some investment wallet so that we can use between accounts. Can use it for, okay, so I want to transfer into the investment wallet. Okay, how much? The minimum was $10. Okay, so let's do the minimum. Okay, so we continue. All right, so let's confirm and good. So now we have it in this video, so it's gone done. We can come back to our social trading. Okay, so ambitious. We go to create an investment. So you could see now it didn't give us that prompt again. So they said invest in the strategy amount you want to invest. So you see with this one they said from 100 to this. Okay, so we want to invest $10. Then we tap on create investment. Once you tap on the create investment, you see start copying. You are processing your request to start copying the strategy. Alright, so you see you have successfully created an investment with this. So you can actually stop copying at any time. You can stop copying at any time. So these are the orders. Whenever he places an order in his trading account, it's going to reflect over here and you can monitor them anytime they are being placed. Okay, you can monitor them anytime they are being placed. Okay, so I think I've done a good job. You can equally explore other trading strategies based on the statistics we looked at and identify good strategies you can copy and actually invest in. Okay, all right, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Have a peaceful journey ahead.